How to log out of your CapCut account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to log out of your CapCut account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch CapCut app on your device and make sure that you have signed into your account. For now, wait till the ads have been completed. You can easily discard any project if you are running, or you can simply export it and come back to this edit page. Tap Me icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Then navigate to the 3-bar menu icon at top right corner of your screen, and the side menu will appear, where at the bottom right you can simply tap on Sign Out icon or button at bottom right corner. And then your account will be easily signed out. You can even tap on the link your email icon and enter the email address in order to make your account more secure. Tap continue button and your account will be successfully logged out. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.